Hello everyone, NMB Box Breaks doing a box break on a 2013-14 rookie anthology. I'll go ahead and show you the time and date. It is 11:46, Monday, January 18th. And here are all 30 spots. Thanks guys for getting in. For anyone that's new, we randomize this list and our team list 3 times each. So we're going to go ahead and randomize this list. There's 1, 2, and 3. So you got TJK at 1. Oops, sorry. So TJK at 1 down to TJK at 30. And you see it's been randomized 3 times. So we'll go ahead and copy and paste. Sorry guys, my voice is going a little bit here. Hold on guys, I didn't close out my master team list. So there we go, paste it there. So you got TJK1 down to TJK30. And here's the list, alphabetical order, Anaheim down to Winnipeg. And we'll randomize this list as well 3 times. There's 1, there's 2, and there is 3. So you got the New Jersey Devils at 1, down to Winnipeg at 30, and you see randomized 3 times. So we'll go and copy and paste. New Jersey Devils down to the Winnipeg Jets. Right, now we'll go a little slower. You guys can see all your teams. And there you go. Alright, so now we'll go to the box. There's 10 packs, 5 cards per pack. I just did the 14-15 artifacts. Had a great redemption card on Sam Reinhart autograph. So I did a basketball one with a great Clyde Drexler autograph. So tonight's been very good with our breaks. So hopefully we continue it with this one. Sam Reinhart, I looked, was a Becker value of $80 on it. So nice. There is your first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 packs. And your second 3, 4, 5, your 5 packs. So there's your 10 packs. Nothing left in the box. There you go. Alright guys, so most of you guys know, but if you don't, the hits will go to the left, base cards to the right. And here we go. There is your base card. There are parallels that are serial numbered. So we'll keep a look for that. There's a base card. Alright, here's a hit, a hot rookie, a score, hot rookies. Nice player, Alexander Barkov. Let's get that to come in a little better. So nice. Flip it over to the back side. Come on, camera. Trying to get the. Alright, that's a good. There we go. Now it comes in. So Alexander Barkov rookie card. So good player. Alright, here's another rookie card, a Prism Mark Barbario. Can't read the front. Yeah, Barbario. No prism on this one. No serial number. The Tampa Bay Lightning. Wow. I know it's late, guys. Sorry. Rookie card. And base card. Base card. Here's another hot rookie card score, Rito Berra, Colorado Avalanche. No serial number on that. And here's a Jordan Schwartz, if I'm saying that right. Phoenix Coyotes. Or actually, I mean, obviously Arizona Coyotes now. There's a titanium rookie card, low number, 14 out of 97. Nice looking card there. It's thick too. You see how thick that rookie card is. Alright, so 2 packs. We got 4 rookie cards. One with a really low serial number of 97. And here's a Prism card. You see up the top corner there, Prism. See if I can show you that. There you go. So it's a Prism card. Eric Selleck. Obviously St. Louis Blues. Rookie card. Oh, you know what? This is so it says Blues on the back, but we go to the jersey that he has on the card, and it's going to go to the Florida Panthers. Guys, that's how we do it. It goes to the jersey that the guy's wearing on the front, so it's the Florida Panthers. So another hit for Florida. Here's a Kent Simpson Chicago rookie card. Chicago Blackhawks, Kent Simpson. So a lot of rookie cards so far. Got a lot more to get, some autographs. So this is a thick pack here, so maybe we'll get a memorabilia card. Alright, here's a Thomas Vanek scorecard. Probably a short print of some sort. Montreal Canadiens, Thomas Vanek. Oh, here's a nice autograph patch card. Nice. Look at how low the number is. 17 out of 25. Cool looking patch. Detroit Red Wings. Thomas Yurko. That's going to be a nice card there, guys. Awesome looking card. Detroit Red Wings. Nice hit. There we go. This pack's pretty small here. They're thin, you know. You get an autograph. There's a hot rookie, Anaheim Ducks, Hampus Lindholm. Alright, we got Zach Dalpe. It says Vancouver. There we go. Zach Dalpe must be a short print of some sort. Zach Dalpe, Vancouver Canucks. Another hot rookie, Magnus Hellberg, Nashville Predators. So a lot of rookie cards here. There's a nice autograph here. Matt Donovan, New York Islanders. Score signature. Nice looking autograph there. No serial number on this. Nice looking autograph. Here's another hot rookie for the New York Islanders, Brock Nelson. And John Albert here. Another rookie card. John Albert, rookie card. Winnipeg Jets. Didn't see a prism on that. No, no prism. I did a few of these, but I don't remember this many. There's a lot of rookie cards. Nice, we got 2 autographs so far. A lot of rookie cards. Here's a Christopher Stieg, Chicago Blackhawks. And here's a rookie gear, Tanner Pearson, LA Kings. Oh, with an autograph. Nice. Rookie gear, Tanner Pearson. Nice little number 5 out of 100. So there's our 3rd autograph. 2 of them with patch cards as patches, all as well. So I like these rookie anthologies. They always seem to have a little bit more than they say they're going to have. Another hot rookie, Rasmus Ristolainen, Buffalo Sabres. There's a Vincent LeCavalier, Philadelphia Flyers. Alright, last pack. Maybe we get one more big hit here. Alright, here's a gold hot rookie. Alex Chason, Dallas Stars. No serial number, but it's a gold one. A little bit more valuable, a little rare, I think. And yeah, here's another Curtis Joseph stick patch, numbered on a 199. Toronto Maple Leafs. Nice looking card, Curtis Joseph. That's a cool looking card, guys. Nice way to end this box. What a great overall night with a lot of good hits tonight. Thanks, guys, for getting in. Please look for some new stuff. I do have Crown Royal up right now still. That's the only hockey one left. I got to leave clear football on this one. I'll be putting up. I'm going to be getting some new stuff in at the end of the week. So please look for some new stuff, guys. Thanks. I appreciate it.